Time now for your severe weather update here on this Monday, first day of fall, and looking at some very active weather. The tropics, both the Atlantic and the Pacific basins, are very active with several named storms, in fact, and active southwest with some flooding rains and severe weather. Looking at some heat that'll be at record levels as we get into the end of the week in the southeast. So, of course, we have Tropical Storm Jerry and Karen in the Atlantic basin. Both of these, of course, are lifting to the northeast, and then newly named storm Tropical Storm Lorenzo way out there in the Atlantic basin. Now, the track for Jerry will take it by Bermuda. Pretty close call here again late Tuesday into Wednesday, and then eventually back into the north central Atlantic. But kind of watching Karen here as it lifts north, could be impacting Hispaniola by Tuesday and into Wednesday. Tropical storm watches have been posted there, and then watching that lift to the north, and still kind of an uncertainty with that system. But Tropical Storm Lorenzo, as I mentioned, a newly named storm, 40-mile-per-hour sustained winds moving west at 18 miles per hour. Could become a hurricane as we approach midweek, maybe Category 2 strength towards Thursday, Friday, and lifting a little farther northwest into the central Atlantic, and at this point posing no threat to the United States. Well, we have Kiko and Mario. Game over for Mario, it looks like, as we see that lift to the north and just some remnant moisture kind of getting caught up into that southwesterly flow or northeasterly flow into the southwest, and dealing with some pretty significant rain in Arizona. Of course, this is due to Lorena, all of that tropical moisture. Here's Mesa, Arizona, some flash flooding on the highway. Flash flood watches have been posted from Phoenix down to Tucson and places northwest of that. Some locations maybe even over an inch of total precipitation. We have an enhanced risk today of severe weather near Phoenix, just west of there, for gusty winds. Also watching, of course, the elevated severe threat as a Santa Ana wind event develops overnight and into your Tuesday.